Hi, my name is Marina, I'm a UX designer and I will be teaching UX introductory workshop. So as you may know, in the recent years all the companies have shifted their mentality to be much more focused on the UX, on the user itself, and that's why the UX field has a lot of protagonism in all workplaces. And I think this course would be extremely beneficial for coders, product owners, startup founders to be able to build their products in the right way, as well as people who's thinking in moving their career to the UX field. So in this course, you're going to be learning the core fundamentals of UX design. That means learning about usability, user-centered design, and all the different techniques that covered the whole UX process. We are going to be working with standard softwares like Sketch and Invision. And well, the whole approach is going to be completely practical. I'm going to be guiding you step by step through the whole process. We're going to start by defining a clear problem statement that we need to solve. And after that, we're going to perform user interviews, work on personas, user stories, flow diagrams, concept maps, and user flows, to then start sketching some layouts that we can translate in a prototype. It's important to know that what you are going to be working on is just a part of the UX process, and it's important not to confuse it with the UI. So you're not going to have a visual result of this design, but rather UX design in a form of a wireframe. After finishing this course, you're going to have a UX case study ready to showcase in your portfolio. And you're going to be able to use these skills and steps and knowledge to work on any digital product that you have in the future. I hope you enjoy it.